Alright, time for practice. Now we're going to do some exercises taking into account this technique of factoring this type of polynomials, specifically trinomials. So let's begin. In this case, quadratic term has a coefficient of 9, which is different than 1. We have a linear term, we have a constant. This satisfies the conditions we are looking for. So what we're going to do now is multiplying this coefficient by this constant. 9 times 2 is 18. So now I need to find combinations that when multiplied you get 18, when added you get a 9. You want to do it yourselves, would be great, or anyway, you might want to pause and then compare to what I'm going to do now. In this case, we just know that it's 6 times 3 will be 18, and 6 plus 3 will be a 9. We got it. Now we split this 9w squared as a 9w and a 9w. Then plus 6 plus 3. And remember, as we multiplied by 9, well, now we have to divide by 9. But in this case, this 9, if it divides either this or this factor, will lead to getting fractions. We don't want them. So we're going to just represent 3 this way, because this 3 is going to divide this expression and this 3 is going to divide this expression. 9w in 3 is 3w. 3 in 3 is 1. 9w in 3, this 3 is 3w, plus 6 in 3 is 2. We're done. Okay? Now let's do the same thing with this exercise. Probably now you were trying to think ahead. We're going to multiply this 9 times negative 9. We get a negative 45. Again, you want to pause, do it. Try to find the combination that works here, where pair of numbers multiplied you get a negative 45. When added you get a 12. Pause it. And then this is what happens. We found out that the numbers that work here are negative 15 and 3. So I split this 5t squared as a 5t and 5t, minus 15 here, plus 3 here. But as I multiplied by 5, I go back and divide by 5. This is interesting because I don't need to split this 5, which will only reduce or simplify this factor. I don't have to worry about this one. So look at this. This is going to be 5t in 5 is t, negative 15 in 5 is negative 3, and I just rewrite this one as it is. And I'm done. Alright, have fun with your homework.